Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program at once. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to know the specific programming method for your Yukon, as it can vary slightly by model. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming process. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate and press the vehicle's programming button, usually found in the glove box or under the dash. Hold this button down until you hear a chime or see an indicator light flash, confirming you've entered programming mode. This step is crucial for the system to accept new fob signals. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob and press any button on it. You should hear a chime or see a light flash, indicating it has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this step for every other key fob you wish to program. After all fobs are done, turn the ignition completely off to exit programming mode and save your new settings. Now it's time to test each programmed key fob. Walk around your Yukon and check that the lock, unlock, and any other remote functions like remote start or the panic button are working correctly. This ensures everything is properly synced. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.